Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with that lovely FX4 off-road package. We do get rear park sensing with this vehicle, a tow hitch, backup camera, and we get mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection. We do get a black hood deflector, some recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior. It is textured. Plenty of door space with the bronze accent on the door. Carpet interior, you got floor mats, cup holders, 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with that same bronze accents, auto stop, auto start, lights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 82 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Taking a look at our main screen here, we do get our My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. We do get some storage in here as well. Nice little storage cubby here for like pens or whatever. Cup holders. More storage here with some outlets, the bronze accents. Got some bronze stitching on the center console with tons of storage. Drive modes, 4-wheel drive. And rear locking diff, nice little coin slot. We do get our climate controls right there, 12-volt, and some outlets right there. Storage above and below. Storage right here. We got our hill descent, and looking here we have our audio, which has AM, FM, and Bluetooth. We got our phone connectivities, fave apps, settings, email, phone, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA48467, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.